You think your video looks cinematic? Wait till you add sound effects. Sound effects are the most underrated part of video production. They add emotion, immersion, and that pro polish you can't get from visuals alone. Watch this. I mounted a 360 camera and I drove around in Beirut. This is the raw cut without any sound effects. Now with the sound effects layered in. Huge upgrade, right? So the first thing I think about when I look at this footage is engine sound. So I have a few engine sounds and I landed on one that I liked. So the thing I'm thinking about right here is a whoosh sound, something deep. So when you pass under the bridge, it goes like whoosh. Right. The whooshes work really nicely. So I noticed that there's a motorcycle that passes by right here, and also towards the end of the video there's a motorcycle that passes by right there. Perfect. Sounds great. That sounds great. Great. That sounds great too. What I'm trying to do now is I want to add sound effects inside the tunnel. So the tunnel, I have all those cool lights that I pass by. And the first thing I think about is kind of like whooshing sound that's like continuous. So throbbing whooshing sound. So this is what I found. And I'm gonna use it again when we enter this tunnel right there. This is all the sound effects that I want to put in this video. The last thing I want to put in is some music. So let's take a listen at the music by itself. So if I hit S, I would solo the track right here. Okay, so the music is great. That's a great option for that speed. It's high energy and it matches the energy of the footage. So there's something called panner inside effects. When you put it on music, it kind of gives it this kind of like echoey, as if the music is playing in a closed space. And that gives us a sense as well, like we're entering a tunnel and the music is being compressed by the space. So now if we'll listen to everything. Awesome. So I think that works perfectly. So you need to be patient when you're looking for sound effects. You need to try a lot till you find something that you like. And when you hear it and you see the visual, you would know that, yes, this is working. If you want to level up your edits, grab my free sound effects starter pack in the link below and comment sound if you agree that sound changes everything. Thanks for watching. See you soon.